hey guys, what's up? It's Kiss Monster here, and today I'm finally doing that hard drive upgrade I've been telling you guys. Oh, by the way, that's my brother, by the way.
Yeah.
He's gonna help me out. Wait. Alright, so first we gotta get the, Alright, first guys, we're gonna be getting the flash drive.
Why is there tape on this?
Oh, that's not tape. That's me playing the USB from transferring the stuff. Before I figured out that it actually auto-deletes it all off. It's not tape! It's like crap. Sorry guys about the gorilla style videography. Doing this with an iPad, not with a camera. Alright, so first guys, we're gonna be actually download the software that you need to download this upgrade.
You haven't even downloaded that yet? With the internet, how it is here, wow.
Come on. Alright, let's see what you guys can see. Oh yeah, you guys can see them on. Alright, go on YouTube. Oh, by the way, you guys only need like pretty much at least a gig worth on a flash drive to get the software up. At least a gig. Dude, why are you prying it open with your fingernails?
I wasn't. I was using the screwdriver.
Alright, well, he'll pry it open for you guys.
Wait a minute. Well, are you trying to do it from here or there?
Hey, the video will tell us all. Sorry about this, guys. Haven't done this yet. Okay. PS4 hard drive. Find the video. Here it is, guys. This video, by the way, 2 terabyte hard drive upgrade from the wizard came from the moon. Interesting. Dude, just. Alright. As this thing.
Just skip part of the video.
I just got the flamethrower. Alright, guys, so here you go. Actually, can you get behind the couch and hold this up?
Why?
Behind me so they can see the screen better. Do you see how hard this is doing it? Just get behind. Wait.
No, put it on your shoulder.
That's not how it works, buddy. We're gonna get so many dislikes on this video. Just on the gorilla stuff. Alright, so you guys download this. First you gotta put in PS4 and then update. Let's put this in. Hold up. Alright, sorry after that quick my hard drive decided to get filled up with with memory again. Alright, so like I was saying, you guys download the firmware, and then you on the hard drive, and then on your computer, whatever you use, you put on the file. Alright, on the file you put PS4, which I already did, and then you put update in all caps. Up. Enter. Go in. Take the download. Download. Where is it? And move it to and put into update, and boom. So there you go. So it's in there, and now my brother's gonna show you how to pry that hard drive open, which he's already got it done off camera.
Yeah, that's how it is right now. Took off the case.
Yeah, just pretty much use like this screwdriver basically, and just pry the sides
Once you
open.
loosen it up, you can pretty much take it off with your fingers.
There's like a lot, but there's a lot of glue. A lot.
It's all dry though.
All right, and then the next thing you do is, well, I think you need to use this to get the hard drive stuff out of the shell.
I don't know exactly if I'm doing this right though, so I
Let
don't
me
mess with it.
see the video. Need a screwdriver, dude? Or are you gonna just use the power of your nails? Dude, just use the screwdriver.
And my nails aren't strong enough for that.
Alright, but be careful with that, dude.
What? Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Alright.
I don't like hearing that.
Okay, it's loosened. Definitely.
How about shaking a bit? Ooh.
Yeah, see, it's loosened.
Oh. On. Ah.
Yeah, I'm gonna loosen up the other side too, because there's only one side. It's loosened. I really don't want that.
Yeah, you don't want to do this thing. How about just try shaking it?
What? Try shaking.
Yeah, shake it out. So many dents in the aluminum. Oh. Okay, be careful. Careful. Yes. All right. Hey, you didn't bend it, so that's a hard drive like that. All right, next thing we do. Now just peel the aluminum off. There's a lot, but there is some glue under it, dude. So you just.
Doesn't all come off as one. It can like tear a little bit. So, yeah.
Want to use a screwdriver again?
No, you don't need a screwdriver for taking off tape. But yeah, see, it doesn't all come off as one sometimes.
Alright, so let me put this back. We use sensor bar. All right. My brother just show you guys him taking out the aluminum or tape or whatever that stuff is called. God, I wish I had a Canon 70D right now. So maybe I use my iPad. There we go.